Our test involves a comparison between the combined Gorenje cooker with a similar product in a lower price range. We shall be evaluating the overall quality of the design and the details of the presentation of individual parts of the cooker. We shall compare the practicality of use and also safety. Where the Gorenje cooker is concerned, we consider details, such as the hinge covers. Our hinges are plastic with the same color as the cooker itself and are resistant to corrosion. Thanks to its construction, the cover is easy to disassemble and the hob rings are easy to clean. Producers of regular cookers do not pay attention to such details. Their hinges are metal, which makes cleaning difficult. The grids of the Gorenje cooker guarantee safe manipulation with pots. When using regular cookers, there is the danger of pots falling over. Unlike in the case of cheaper cookers, it is possible to place pots onto the Gorenje grid without a reduction grid. Our grid is stable thanks to silicone bands, which are resistant to high temperatures. The grids of regular cookers are noisy and may bang against the surface. Even the apparent detail of the placement of a large burner is important for us. Cooking in a large pot takes longer, and when the pot is placed at the back of the cooker, it does not get in the way of smaller hobs. The Gorenje cooker boasts two separate controls for opting for temperature and the function which completely control the baking process. It is possible to set the temperature for both functions. Cheap brands often offer just one control knob or function. The user is also unable to set the required temperature for a chosen function. Let's now look at a small example of the differences in the quality of the products. The edge of the Gorenje cooker door is slightly lifted, whereas the cheaper version is poorly processed and is sharp. Take a look at what would happen with our product when the cover falls down. The cover of a regular cooker cuts a carrot in half. The Gorenje cooker cover did not do any damage to the carrot. When making Gorenje cookers, we adhere to the principle of smooth surfaces. Our cookers do not have, unlike regular products, unnecessary spaces and stumps. This makes cleaning a lot easier and quicker. Take a look also at how the Gorenje oven is sealed. Unlike regular cookers, it is easy to disassemble, and this makes the cleaning process of the area around the sealing very easy. A more detailed inspection reveals insulation layers which actually enter the oven space in cheaper models. When designing the inner part of the oven, we also thought of comfortable cleaning. Our cookers are equipped with wired hinges and with the possibility to install telescopic grills. The wired hinges are easy to disassemble before cleaning the oven. The installation of telescopic pull-out parts is simple and quick. You do not need any tools for the oven. Regular and cheaper cookers have other construction insufficiencies. For example, the maximum weight on the metal grill in the oven. The Gorenje grill can stand heavier items, which a regular cooker cannot cope with. If you enjoy grilling, you will appreciate the way the Gorenje grill is constructed. It is designed to make possible the use of the grill rack while grilling dishes directly in the oven with an added safety benefit. Ordinary stoves do not have these safety features. Their designs are not suitable for grilling. When producing the Gorenje cooker, we focus upon the construction of the oven door hinges and the general stability of the cooker. Our oven doors will cope with a heavier load without any problem. whereas cheaper versions may bring unpleasant surprises. We pay sufficient attention to cooker accessories. The practical square shape of our sheets of metal allows for easy manipulation and for placement into the oven from any side whatsoever. Our metal sheets have a high level of quality and, unlike cheaper versions, do not have sharp edges. The storage space is offered in two different forms with all cookers, with doors and in drawer form. The volume of 42 liters allows for comfortable placement of accessories, dishes, or baking equipment. Some brands use a plastic base, which may get mechanically damaged and is not resistant to higher temperatures. The strength and stability of the cooker depends on the quality of the construction. As you can see in our demonstration, the Gorenje cooker is strong, whereas cheaper versions may be very unstable. Specially shaped panels on the side walls help the stability of our cookers. They ensure better heat insulation and safe integration of the cooker into the kitchen counter. The Gorenje cooker is also equipped with practical screw-on legs, which are used to easily set the required height of the unit according to the kitchen unit. As we have proven in our test, it is necessary to pay attention to the quality of the make of certain details when choosing a cooker, along with the quality of the surface, safety, construction, and stability. By choosing carefully, you can avoid unpleasant surprises and the cooker can serve you well.